Good morning, how are you? Today we have a new lesson with Mr. Sherif Zaki. And today we have a lesson, but it's not about the books, as I said before. It's not about even the firefighters. It's not about up, down, in, on, beside, in between. No, it's about our friend. Today we have a friend. Her name is Jeff Moss. Jeff Moss is talking about something we had before. Do you remember the large thing, the very big thing, the smaller, the smaller, the smaller? Yes, excellent. The continent, the country, the city, the street, the apartment building, and the apartment where you live. So, let's see Jeff Moss here. Here's our friend, okay, and she's talking about the place where she lives. Listen and let's go.
Track 20.
A Lot of Kids by Jeff Moss. There are a lot of kids living in my apartment building, and a lot of apartment buildings on my street, and a lot of streets in the city, and cities in this country, and a lot of countries in the world.
Good. I think you have marked, you saw some words that we had before. Do you remember? What is the smallest thing? Yes, the building, the apartment building. And what is the bigger? Street. What is the bigger? The city. What is the bigger? The country. What is bigger than the country? The biggest thing? The world, or the world. Do you remember the continent? There was a continent, Asia, and inside Asia there was KSA, Saudi Arabia, and in Saudi Arabia there was Jeddah, and in Jeddah, street number 15, and in street number 15, the apartment number 10 on the second floor. Do you remember that? Excellent. Yes, here I want you to highlight or underline the words that we had before. Yes, underline like that. Yes, the apartment building and street. Good and excellent. City and country and world. So good. So now let's go here. And see what we can highlight or which words you heard before. Let's see. Yes, that's good. Yes. Yes. And this. That's so good.
So I wonder if somewhere, and a lot of countries in the world.
Yes, now?
So I wonder if somewhere there's a kid I've never met, living in some building on some street, in some city and country I'll never know. And I wonder if that kid and I might be best friends, if we ever met.
Yes, now Jeff Moss is talking about that actually there may be a child or a kid in a street or in an apartment building or in a country she has never met. Okay, so she's talking about a kid, okay, or someone she has never met. She wants to make a friend, but a friend where actually it's in the world and in a country and city, street, and apartment building. Good. So here, yes, here we have some questions about this poem or this girl. Okay, but I want you to tell me, do you think that girl is friendly or unfriendly? Friendly or unfriendly? Un here. Un is like X. How? Friendly means what? It comes from, yes, excellent, friend. So friendly means, yes, excellent. She likes her friends. She likes people. She likes to be with people. So she's friendly or unfriendly. She wants to be alone. Yes, she is friendly. Because un is like X. Do you think this poem is happy or unhappy? Happy or unhappy? Yes, because un is like X. Yes, it's happy. Good. And here, let's come here. Are there many apartment buildings on her street? Yes, there is. Good. And where does the girl in this poem live? Where she lives? Where she lives. Let's come back. Yeah. Excellent. See where she's living? Yes, an apartment building. Good. So let's come back again. When I have un, it means what? Excellent, cross. It's not good, okay? So the opposite. So helpful, someone who helps people. And unhelpful, he doesn't help people. Yes, so un is like no. When I say happy, yes, unhappy, no. Helpful, yes. Unhelpful, no. Friendly, yes, and go with people. Unfriendly, no, alone. So un is like a, cross. And I think you knew from the poem that Jeff Moss is a friendly girl. Thank you, and see you next time.